Very warm good morning, students. Today we are taking the exercise 3.3 LCM. Find the LCM of the following numbers. There are 10 parts. So we are taking here first of all 3 parts. That is the first part, 21 and 24. So first of all you will be see which number is dividing. This 2 is dividing of 24. So 21 will become same. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Again by 2, 21, 2 6 ja. Again by 2, 21 is same, 2 3 ja. Now 3, 3 7 ja, 3 1 ja. Now 7, 7 1 ja, 1 ja. That means 1 1 we have found out here. Now LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That 2 to 4 to 8 here 24. 24 7 ja. 24 7 ja. 7 4 ja 28. 7 ja 14 15 16. That is a 168 answer. Write it. Now the first part 4 8 24 36. So first of all we will take 2 because 2 is dividing all numbers. 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 12 ja, 2 18 ja. Again by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 9 ja. Again by 2, that's 1, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, that's 9. By 3, 1 1 1 3. Then 3 1 1 1 1. Right? Now LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8, 9 is 72. So answer. Now fifth part by 2, 55 is same because it's not dividing by 2. 4 ja 4 ja, 5 ja 5 ja. Again by 2, 55 is same. 2 ja 2 ja 55. By again by 2, 5 5 1 1 5 5. That by 5, 5 1 ja 1 ja 11 11 ja. By 11 1 1 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. That will be 2 to the 4, 11 ja 44 or 5 to the 10. That is answer. Now exercise number 3.4. Question 1 is MCQ. Second question. The product of two numbers is 2 2 8 6. If their SCF is 9, then find their LCM. So LCM is equal to product of number 2 2 8 6 upon 9. Okay. So 9 cancel by 2 2 8 6 cancel by 9. See that 9 2 ja 18, 4 is left 48, 9 5 ja 45, right? And then left 3 9 4 ja 36. So that is 2 5 4 is answer. Question number 3 is similar. So question number 4. Question number 4. Find the greatest number that will exactly divisible by 1065 and 1491. Greatest number means we will find the HCF. 1065 and then 1491. Imagine a number which can be divided both. 3 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 3 5 ja, 3 4 ja 12, 3 9 ja 27, 3 7 ja 21. And then which numbers? Divide the both numbers. 71. 71 5 ja 71 7 ja. So that number is equal to 3 into 71. That will be 7 3 1 3 3 7 21. Right? Now question number 8. Find the list number which after being increased by 2 is exactly divisible by 8, 16 and 24. So first of all we will find the LCM. 8, 16, 24. 2 4 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 12 ja. 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 ja, 2 3 ja. That 2 1 3 by 3 1 1 1. So number is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That one 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 48, and then minus 2 also is equal to 46 is the answer, because it's saying increasing by 2. Question 6. Find the greatest number that can 166, 270, 237 leaving remainder 5, 7 respectively. So that first of all 165 subtract 5, sorry 166 is equal to 161 and 237, 37 divisible by, oh sorry, subtract 7 is equal to, that is 230. Now SCF will find the 161 23 and then by 23, right? 23 7 ja and then 20 10 ja. So number is equal to, that number is equal to 23. Seventh question. Find the smallest number which on being added 5 is exactly divisible by 9, 21, 25, 45. So that will be, first of all we will find the LCM of 9, 21, 25, 45. That 3 3 ja, 3 7 ja, 25 will same, 3 15 ja by 3, 3 1 ja, 7 will come, 25 will come same, 3 5 ja by 5, 1 7 5 1 again by 5, 1 7 1 1 by 7, 1 1 1 1. So that number is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7, that added by 5. So 3 3 ja 9, 5 ja 45 and then 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20 and 2 carry, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, 13, 5 7 5 1. That will be 1575 minus 5 because of added 5. That will be 1570.